Well, if you were in a car accident recently, you may be considering legal advice, but you're just not sure if you want to go down that road, right? Well, this next segment may help you decide. Joseph Brown is the founding partner of Accident Law Group, and he's here to really help explain the benefits of legal representation. And thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me, Terry.
Okay, so why would you want legal representation for a car accident? I can understand if it's a major one, but with any car accident?
I think with any car accident, you definitely want to get legal representation or at least a free consultation. I was actually an insurance adjuster before I went to law school. So we were taught early on as adjusters, we want to be as nice as we can, settle the case as fast as we can before they consult a lawyer. Because if they do that, they pay a lot less money. And people often don't really know their injuries, and they may not even set in for a few days. So it's nice to have us sit down, kind of explain what your options are, see if there's something we can help you with, or if you do need help or don't need help.
And at what point should somebody seek out a consultation? Immediately afterwards? Does it matter if it's been a length of time since the accident?
It's always better immediately.
Okay.
The insurance company is going to call you. Some insurance companies arrive on the scene nowadays. So, so it's better to actually sit down with somebody sooner rather than later so you don't make any mistakes. I've had clients come in later, sign something saying, okay, I'm better, I thought I was fine. 2 days later, they wake up with a really bad headache, neck pain, and the insurance company saying, hey, we already paid you $500. You're done. You're on your own from this point forward.
Wow, that's scary.
Very scary.
So what makes your law group different than others who represent accident victims?
I think we're different for lots of reasons. Obviously, my experience as an adjuster, I've been an injury victim, so I've been in a serious car accident. I had to fight the insurance company. You always meet with an you always meet with an attorney when you sit down with us. So we devise a strategy specifically for your case to emphasize what you're dealing with, how you feel, and so we can make the best result for you. And one of the, I think, main differences is our ALG, the Accident Law Group Guarantee. A lot of people come in and they're very afraid. Why do I want to hire an attorney? The attorney's just going to take my settlement. It's going to leave less money for me.
Yes, that's the first thing everybody thinks of, right?
It is. Unfortunately, it is. And what we guarantee is that our fee will never be greater than the amount of money you take home. So to put it in mathematical sense, if we were settling your case for $15,000, our fee was $5,000, we guarantee that you'll take home $5,000 or more, or we'll reduce our fee to take the same as you.
Oh, wow. Okay, so that's what you're calling your ALG guarantee.
That's exactly what we're calling that.
Is it important that people come to you because you do specialize just in car accidents? Or, I mean, because lots of lawyers do lots of different things, but a specialty is kind of unique.
It is. I think we focus really on car accidents, that we're not out trying to learn the DUI laws, learning bankruptcy, criminal laws. When there's something coming up new in the law, we're on it. We're ahead of it. We're learning it. We're not focused on what's the latest and greatest in how to defend a DUI.
Okay.
So I think that helps. I think that gives us an edge. A lot of firms out there really do multiple things, and I think that really hinders them in being really, truly focused on what they do and taking care of the client.
And real quick, what is your best advice when it comes to insurance policies? What do you see people make the biggest mistake on when it comes to insurance?
Uninsured, underinsured. You want to have both those coverages. People don't realize 60% of drivers in Arizona drive either without insurance or the minimum limits. Minimum limits are $15,000 per person. You get in any type of decent accident, you're going to have a hospital bill that could be greater than $15,000.
Wow.
That's where underinsured comes in.
Okay.
They don't have any insurance, underinsured, that's where that comes in.
Okay. Well, as an insurance adjuster, good advice, good, solid, sound advice. All right, well, let me give you some information. The contact information for Accident Law Group right here on your screen is they're located at 3923 South McClintock Drive, that's Suite 409 in Tempe. The phone number to call if you need a consultation or some advice, 602-262-4ALG, and the website is 4ALG.com.